Schoology for students in pre-K through third grade uses fewer features than the upper grades. In pre-K through grade 3, teachers still post a content-based weekly update. However, teachers use the homeroom course for all subjects except for Spanish and Encore. The homeroom teachers in these grades teach all subjects, so all of the information is posted under homeroom. Looking at a homeroom course, you will see updates posted by the teacher. The teacher also uses the materials section to post information for the parents. Parents can refer to this information all year. Located here, you will find the Saints schedule, classroom procedures, and other information. Teachers of students in grades pre-K through 3 do not post grades on Schoology. Teachers provide QR codes to students if the student needs access to their Schoology account. It is teacher-directed in the younger grades. Schoology in pre-K through grade 3 still serves the key purpose of home and school communication.